In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a contract in DocuSign in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to DocuSign or looking to streamline the process, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is a leading platform known for its electronic signature and agreement management capabilities, making it a go-to choice for sending, signing, and managing contracts digitally. Once there, you'll want to find and click on the Log In button. It's important to ensure you have your login credentials ready. If you've never logged in before, be sure to set up an account through their simple registration process. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your DocuSign homepage. Here you'll see an overview of your recent documents, alerts, and any pending actions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. It's quite intuitive, but the more you use it, the more second nature it becomes. Next, locate the Send tab at the top of the page and navigate to the respective section. This is where you begin the process of preparing your document for sending. You'll typically see options to send, view templates, or manage existing envelopes, but what we're interested in right now is preparing a new document. To move forward, click on the Upload button. This allows you to select the contract or document you want to upload. Upon clicking Upload, a new window will open prompting you to choose a file. These files can be from various locations on your computer, whether they're saved on your desktop or within some other folder. Once you click on Desktop, your computer's file explorer will open, showcasing your desktop files. If your document is saved elsewhere, you can navigate through your folders here to locate it. Simply select the contract file you need and click Open to upload it to DocuSign. After the successful upload, you'll see a preview of your document with options to add fields for signatures, initials, dates, and other necessary information. Make sure you review the document thoroughly to ensure everything is placed correctly. DocuSign's drag and drop feature makes it incredibly easy to position these fields exactly where you need them. When you're satisfied, proceed by entering the recipient's details, such as their email addresses, and assign signing roles if necessary. Once you've reviewed and confirmed everything, go ahead and click Send. DocuSign will handle the rest, sending notifications to the recipients with instructions on how to complete the signing process. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded and prepared a contract for signing in DocuSign. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you find DocuSign easy and efficient for managing your digital contracts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy signing.